Hey guys, welcome to Zurich, the largest city in Switzerland. Although this city has a reputation of being a global center for banking and finance, it is also a cosmopolitan metropolis packed with great culture, a significant art scene, superior food, and handsome architecture. The city is super easy to go around just by either taking a stroll on the hilly streets or taking one of the efficient trams. Zurich is located at the north end of Lake Zurich in northern Switzerland. The picturesque lanes of the central Alstad-Old Town on either side of the Limmat River reflect its pre-medieval history. Waterfront Promenades, like the Limmatquai, follow the river towards the 17th century Rathaus, the town hall. So let me take you on a fantastic tour exploring some of the best places in Switzerland. This is going to be a series, and for those of you who have not yet subscribed, kindly do so and hit the notification bell so that you get updates whenever I post new videos. I'm sure you don't want to miss this. So we'll be starting first in Zurich. Right now I'm just on the way to Santa Lucia just for some lunch in the Old Town. I'll come back to Hotel Marriott Zurich. That's where I'm going to stay tonight and tomorrow night. And in the afternoon we'll do the e-biking tour, taking you around the city and showing you the beautiful sights of this old town as well.
This restaurant offers a unique ambience and good choice of menu, from salads and soups to pastas and pizzas.
So here I am at Santa Lucia with this delicious margherita pizza.
The Marriott Zurich is very much a city center hotel, walking distance to the Old Town and the train station. This is a deluxe room and offers great views.
I'll be shortly doing the e-bike tour here in Zurich, and then tomorrow morning I have a long drive to Jungfrau. It's around 3 hours from here, and this is the top of Europe, the highest peak, where I'll be exploring the sites out there, including the Sphinx and the glacier caves. On day 3 I visit Lausanne, and en route visit the beautiful capital city of Bern, and finally day 4 in Zermatt, and the highlight in Zermatt is a helicopter ride over Zermatt. So I hope you enjoyed this Swiss series. So finally here on this e-bike tour, exploring the Zurich city. Nothing better than doing it in a very simple way.
This is a perfect place to unwind after a hectic day. You see a lot of locals enjoy and absorb the incredible natural beauty, especially when the weather is nice and sunny.
Time for some ice cream here in Zurich, rum and raisin flavor.
You can enjoy a nice lake cruise during the summer months, operating from this area, which is again not far from the main city center.
So guys, that was an exciting tour, the e-biking tour here in Zurich, covering the Old Town as well as the Lake District called the Bellevue. And now we are heading back to the hotel. So this is the main train station, the Hauptbahnhof. So guys, that's end of day one here in Zurich. I hope you enjoyed the tour with me. If you did, do like, post your feedback in comments, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get updates whenever I post new videos.